This is the new Hino 700 series. It is the safest Hino ever, fitted with the most comprehensive safety package available to date. Two key safety systems are added to the Hino SmartSafe package for the first time. The driver monitor, that features advanced driver assist features such as driver fatigue warning, and the pre-collision system with autonomous emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning system, vehicle stability control, and reverse camera. The model line offers new 4x2 and 6x2 rigid trucks, as well as new 6x4 and 8x4 models, for the heavier part of the market. More power options are offered, with the new Euro 6, 9-litre diesel engine, alongside the existing 13-litre engine, both paired to automatic gearboxes. Depending on the engine choice, the power starts at 320 horsepower, and can go up to 480 horsepower.